Well, we've got a young Padawan situation here at Urban Auto. Young Padawan, you're a Star Wars fan there, James?
I'm not the young guy. But I know about Padawan. I like the old ones.
You like the old Padawan? Okay, well, tell everybody what's happening here on this vehicle today. Is this your first? Your first axle?
This would be my first. I've helped before, but sometimes I did a little bit of research about this. Simple job, but turned out not to be so.
Oh no, what happened, James?
Well, our enemy here today was Canada. Our enemy was rust.
Wow.
So,
wow.
Where's the nut? Where's the big nut?
The big nut.
It's the end of day, James. Mark wants to get out of here.
Yes.
Come on, where's the big nut?
Where's the big nut, James? It's on the floor right there, boys. Right behind you.
Right.
There you go.
Nuts going in.
All right, so what the problem was rust?
Problem
Issues?
right in here.
Tell us, James.
There's a bearing in here.
Oh yeah?
And this was totally seized. Many years of corrosion, many years of rust, just holding that in.
Wow.
And in the video I watched to try to learn, a vehicle, a Nissan Rogue, California plates, slides right out. But today we see that that was not the case.
No.
Taking a little bit longer, and we've got a little bit creative.
And what have we got here, young master? What's the scoop here, Mark?
We had to pull the whole assembly out, axle, aluminum housing, take it to the vise, heat it up with a torch, and smack it through with a hammer.
Wow, is there remnants that we can show?
Yeah, there's a piece of axle down over there.
Oh my God, look at that. The lowly piece of axle. Wow. Wow, there's that, but then we got, my God, you just, wow.
All corroded right here. Still got the torches right there. Oh, that's kind of warm and hot, but that's okay. I can handle that. Wow. Yeah, it's crazy.
Just came
It
right,
just goes in like
dear
this,
God.
right into the scrap pile.
Wow, fantastic. Thanks for your help there, Mark. I know the kid was struggling. It was a good learning lesson though, eh?
Great,
I like especially how you let him struggle. That was good, because that's how you learn, right?
That's how they learn
The butterfly spreads its wings by building that resistance and not holding his hand. He was almost in tears though, so.
It was. And he got a big band-aid on his finger because he cut himself.
What?
That's okay.
Come on, man, you don't. Band-Aid, really?
It keeps the tape on.
I like how, you see that? Look at that tape.
There.
Good job.
So we're still doing
Good
thumbs
job.
up, right?
Yeah.
Still doing thumbs up.
Awesome. All right, well, thanks boys for the quick lesson on the axle shaft here, on the removal on this wonderful Nissan. And what do we say here at Urban Auto?
Safety first.
Great job.